All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another beautiful session here by Raja Banks. All right, let's do this over here. Interface this to, let's do 100%. Okay. All right. I guess it looks better. Let's see this here. Okay, we'll keep it at that. Okay. Welcome. This account was at 10,000 when I started yesterday. So last week I think it did about, all right. Okay, this is working. 7,000. So just waiting here now. We have 5 minutes left for the candle to close on the 30-minute. And I would say on gold now that this is a whole range, right? So if we measure, this is like a 57, 60 pip range. So, I mean, if the 30-minute candle closes a strong bullish candle, actually, I'm going to be right back first. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I guess it's that time now for a buy. Probably. Take a look on the 1 hour time frame. I'm not going to say that I missed it because that's not the case. The 30-minute candle has just started to form. And I think we need to be a little bit patient with this 30-minute candle and let it form. That's what we need to do. We need to be a little bit patient. Did you see FX Alex rubbing the Super Bowl? Yeah, so stupid, you know, so dumb. What are you trying to do? So dumb. So dumb. Don't follow any signal. That's true. I went long, went close, market resistance, London open, faked out, create new resistance. What was the wrong entry? I don't know. Send a chart. Expecting a strong buy on gold? Yeah, we'll have to wait. And the reason why I kind of want to wait is that because this candle just started and it hasn't really made a lower wick. It hasn't really pushed down. So I kind of want to see a candle to push down, create that lower wick, and then continue to push up. So I think that's going to be something that I may want to look at. Okay. So let's take a look at this over here, volume, leverage. All right, let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen is pushing down. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Start with the 4 hour. 4 hour has probably met its resistance up over here. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Adjust this on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Okay, so 30-minute is going to give us some more information. And one thing we can see from the 30-minute is that we may be creating a resistance over here. And if we are creating a resistance, this resistance is, 188, 286, right? 188, 286. So if we do break above 188, 286, you got like a 27 pip range for price to move up. Take a look back at gold over here. I kind of don't want to miss it. So I'm going to keep a close eye on gold over here on the 30-minute time frame. Right? Okay, so we got to come up. Looking to the left-hand side on pound yen, we have rejections to the left-hand side. All right. No problem. We got rejections to the left-hand side and then below that area. Yeah, it's going to be tough, like looking through the left-hand side. I mean, I do want to say that below 188, even 188.050, you could anticipate price to continue pushing down till, 187.790, which is what, like 27 pips away. But I really don't want to even overthink about it, so I'm just gonna wait. Right, for pound yen, the best case scenario is just to wait to see what happens on pound yen. Just waiting, right? Waiting never hurt anyone. Good to hear from you here in Africa. Thank you. So here we are, the 30-minute time frame. Candle is pushing down, which is very good. Very, very good. So we'll have to see. I started a new account on CTrader. Download the platform, buddy, from dominionmarkets.com. If you follow my guidance, you will not be misguided. Oh. Was it from here? You went to platforms and then CTrader and then downloaded this? Okay. Yeah. Contact support and then see what they say, because it shouldn't be the case. How do you get the DM background image? Oh, you go to right click, you go to background image, and then from there you can basically get it. But yeah, I'm going to be waiting over here. So now it's time to push up. We are 5 minutes into this 1 hour. 1 hour is also bullish. 30-minute is also. But see, what I'm doing is, I mean, if I do an entry, stop is going to be below the previous candle, anticipating price to continue to push up. Yeah, but I kind of want to wait. I want to wait for a little bit. So I just created a new account. Okay. And this account, 1007431. So it should show up over here. 1007431. Yeah, it shows up here perfectly. Maybe there's 100% something that you're doing wrong in the back end. 100%. Because it shows up here, no problem. It's a irregular ECN, C Trader ECN account, which I opened. All right. Is it possible to sell gold once price has done that? No. I'm going to be waiting. I personally am going to be waiting over here because now the candles are basically printing side by side. Like this is a 30-minute time frame. You can look at this candle, small body, then the next candle, bullish. This candle has broken the previous candle's high. It hasn't broken the previous candle's low, which means currently it's still making a higher high and a higher low. But the thing is, where we are in a low volume time at this point. We have pre-New York now. We've had volume after London Open. So now at this point, we'll have to wait. Just waiting. गली गली में शोर है वली बाबा फॉरेक्स स्टार सिग्नल्स वाले चोर हैं प्लीज इन्फॉर्म टू पब्लिक ओके पब्लिक यू got that message public. How can I remove an account from Dominion or C Trader? You just got to archive it. Isn't A plus set up for sell? Okay, go ahead and sell. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for this candle to close, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do. I'm just waiting over here. How to save default color? You can save it from right over here. Colors. Oh, by the way, you know what I realized with C Trader? I realized this, right? So this is a $17,000 account. The leverage on gold is like 1 to 500, and I realized that from here, I know exactly how much margin is needed. So to trade 100 lots, I need $40,000. You see right there. To trade 50 lots, I need 20,000. To trade 20 lots, I need 8,000. To trade, let's say, if I'm going to trade 35 lots, I need $14,000. That's actually very helpful. That is very helpful. Commission is going to be $122. Wow, pip value is $350. On one lot, commission is 0.34. No, on one lot, commission is, okay, 3.49. And that's also one side, okay? One side, not both sides, one side. Why not we are in buys after seeing a bullish candle? The reason why we are not in buys on gold, because even though this candle has closed bullish, is because, see the bodies of the 15-minute, they're getting smaller and smaller. So we got to be careful. We got 4 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. So we'll have to wait. Pound yen also consolidating. Imran Khan won the battle successfully. I don't know what battle you're talking about. Open up a C Trader ECN account. What can you show candle color settings in the C Trader? No. I'm in long on gold. Beautiful. Congratulations. Modi loves you. Trust me, no. Can we still use commissions for incentives on C Trader? Yes, you can. The more volume you trade, the cheaper commissions you get on C Trader? No. It's not like that. It's not like that. All right, pound yen is here. So my total profit on pound yen has been $600. Wow, it shows everything over here. On gold, my total profit is 6,000. 6,400. Total pips I've gotten gold is 23.4. Average pips 11. Average trade duration 8 minutes. Yeah, not bad. You can see all your trade history, trade statistics, calendar, full news events, everything. What do you think about Imran Khan? I don't know. What's your video bit rate? I have no idea. What type of account should we open on C Trader ECN? How do you feel? You have so many successful students like Don Vo, Time to Eat, Trader, and many more. Yes. What do you think about options trading? It's very good. How to draw weekly to 30-minute support resistance? Just draw them, and then on every time frame, adjust them as you go down. So I just drew these on the 30-minute, and now I'm just waiting. Difference? There's no difference now. It will be next week, but we're trying to do it. ECN Pro is going to be, it's going to have like lower commission, but it's also going to be for accounts of with $10,000 and more. I opened Tree Trader account. No, you got to open up a new account. You probably made some mistake. There's no mistakes here. There's no mistake in the system now. Our system is running 100%. The only mistake you can make is while setting things up yourself. When will you come to Pakistan? No idea. How to deal with losing streak? Just move on to the next day and don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. Okay, if you have any scalp trade, no. I'm actually waiting. I'm waiting for some sort of a scalp opportunity to come up. I'm actually waiting myself. This candle close is going to give us some more direction. 15-minute candle is about to close in about a minute and a half here as well. So yeah, so we're going to get some more information as we come closer to the candles closing here. So I think we'll have to be more patient. Trading requires a lot of patience, a lot of patience. Like if you're looking to see whether I can get something done maybe today, tomorrow, or maybe if I can maybe rush the process, trust me, it's not happening. See, it's such a Monday. Things are so slow that I'm getting tired over here now. Why Islamic account has high spread? That's been the case from the start. What is Hassan Mahmood? Hassan Mahmood एक है चोर का बच्चा, चोर. उसने मेरे उसने 20-22 लाख रुपया देना उसने मेरा कंजर. How can we say we also caught the drop on the 4-hour? Yeah, you sure can if you caught it. How to avoid tax legally? Legally, no, you can't. सर मुझे क्लास ज्वाइन करना है. कौन सी क्लास करनी है जी ज्वाइन? स्टिल जेल में फेंटियां चढ़ रही हैं उसको. XNES is working in C Trader? No idea. Are your modified C Trader for you and this is the default setting? No. This I modified it for myself. ओ यार बड़ा आरामी है ये एहसान महमूद. इसने उधर जाके उसने मेरा नाम लिया है, फिर इसने नुमान का नाम लिया है, फिर इसने पता नहीं कितने लोगों का नाम लिया है. चौदह 20 lakh dollar? No, 20 lakh Pakistani rupees. But total fraud, the scam he did, total scam, I think it was around 2-3 Arab. 2-3 Arab. 2-3 Arab is how much? How much is 2-3 Arab? 100 crore होते हैं ना? दिए गए 200 crore. 200, 123, 123. 250 million. ये हो गया ना 2.5 Arab. Yeah, this is 2.5 Arab. Divided by 283. I think I may be off by 10. Oh, 800 million. No, 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 no. He did a fraud of about $6-7 million, which is a lot of money in Pakistan. Two Arab, almost 2-3 Arab. Anyway, can I open MT5 on Dominion markets? No, we've moved away from MT5 and we've moved over to C Trader. What are some of the benefits living in Dubai as a Forex trader? Safety. Bro, M from Pakistan, Rawalpindi, Avandes. Is it possible to see open trades, PNL and pips on C Trader? I can only see it in dollars. Yes, Matt. Yes, you can. What you got to do is right here, you right click and then you hit pips or whatever. Closing commission, like whatever you want, you can have here. What's the difference between liquidity grab and rejection? Rejection is that when price goes in the opposite direction. Let's say if you're in a sell and price is moving in the opposite direction, it's going to be a liquidity grab if it doesn't break the high of the previous candle. It's going to be a rejection if it respects the high of the previous candle and continues to go in your direction. Are you doing live stream in OBS? No. Should I trade A+ setups? Yes. Please make more simulator videos. They are so knowledgeable. Thank you. My screen on C Trader is locked. Like I can't move the chart. Why? No idea. I have no idea. Maybe you signed in with your investor account. I have no idea. What's the meaning of your name, Raja? It means prince. It's also the tiger from Aladdin. You guys remember the tiger from Aladdin? Raja. Oh, wow. Look at that. Pound yen is starting to continue its trajectory here now. Oh, wow. Look at that. But I am not trading pound yen. Look at that. Looks like we did break below these lows to continue pushing down. The candle is about to close in about 22 minutes anyway. I had an email of support this morning telling me to make a new account due to liquidity linking issues. That's correct? Yes. If you received an email from Dominion Markets telling you to create a new account because we switched our liquidities, then you should create a new account and move your funds. If you did not receive an email, just ignore this. C Trader on Mac and Windows has a big difference. Yes. Yes, they have a huge difference. Huge difference. Any key points from Market Fluidity 2.0? Market Fluidity 2.0 will not only make you a profitable trader, but it's also going to make you a more risk-averse trader. Because in the beginning, when you start, the basic idea is to manage your risk. All right, the candle's about to close and we're just consolidating. Like these candles are printing side by side. So there's basically not much happening. Where are you currently? I'm in Dubai. Your Twitter post about Dominion Tech, can you provide info on that? Yeah, it's Dominion Prop Tech, basically. It's Dominion Prop Tech. Like that's all what it is. We're launching a Prop Tech. And let me give you an overview. Let me give you an overview of the prop tech over here. Are you guys ready? Rules in SRC? No. The basics. The basics. I've bought SRC course, but didn't found any strategy which part of the course I should focus on. Just start from the basics, very, very basics. You have to understand the candles. You have to understand how candles form at support resistances. You have to understand what confirmations to look at once you want to look for a buy position. Then you start executing, then go over your trades and ask yourself, where could you have had a better entry? If you had a stop loss, ask yourself, how could you have lost less in that trade? Then move into advanced topics like giving your trade a second chance, managing risk, managing losses, looking at market structure, looking at candles to see how you can lower your risk, looking at candles to see how you can give your trade a second chance, looking at candles to see, how can you look at fake out entry. Like there's so much more. It's so much more, like trading is not about just buying and selling. It's about actually reading candles. If you can't read candles, there's no way you're going to be profitable. So you got to start from the basic reading candles. All right, so I'm going to show you guys over here. Let's see here. Our tech. Okay, there we are. All right, let's take a look at this, right? So this is going to be our tech. You will see everything here. Your purchase history, everything, your payouts. You'll be able to trade from within the tech. You'll be able to trade within the tech. You'll have Trading View maybe. Then we're gonna have C Trader web platform here, MT5 web platform, whatever there is. You can trade from within your dashboard on your prop firms. And then we have everything. We have your Discord. Discord is built in. So whatever prop firm you're with, their Discord is going to be right over here. So, this is something that we're bringing towards the table because right now the dashboards you see, they're not as nice as I would say, they're not as nice. So this is something different. Gold buys, very nice. Looks like you're already in buys over here. The 15-minute candle is going to close in about 8 minutes. I want to be a little bit cautious. I may miss it, but we'll wait. We'll wait over here. Take a look at this chart. This is pound yen. Identify overall trend sells. Too risky to sell. You're waiting. So you're waiting for price to come up to retrace and then push down. Okay. Sounds good. Will there be a dark mode? Yeah, there will be dark mode. Wider scope of countries. US, definitely not. Definitely not. If you're in the US, you cannot sign up to Dominion. You have to move your funds. You have to withdraw your funds. If you are in the US, not a lot of prop firms are going to take you on. You may have to go to trading futures. Like things are getting tough. In Canada, we can't, Dominion markets, we can't operate in Canada. Can we join this meeting daily? Yes. It's posted in the same channel that you got on from. In future, will Dominion Market will have mob app or not? Mobile app? Yes. Mobile app is going to be released within like a month or a month and a half. So yeah, I'm waiting for gold over here. I'm waiting for gold to close. We have about 5.5 minutes left for gold to close. So is it okay looking for sell? Because for sell, you need to break below this support. So let me point this out here. Potential sells below. Let's do 2020. Our favorite year, right? Nah. Potential sells below 2020. In future, will Dominion Market will have mob? Okay, can you show us your trade history so I can understand? My trade history is right here. This is my trade history on C Trader, which I started on the 6th February. You can see this, my entire history. 28 pips, 0.9, 18 pips, 13, 17, 33. Look at my losses, 6 pip loss, 1 pip loss. This one was a 5 pip loss here this morning. So yeah, I'm very transparent. You know, there's not many people transparent like me. Is MT5 ended? Yes, we've moved away from MT5. We couldn't handle their BS anymore. If gold can return to the broken area of 2021, can it be considered a fake buy gold 2021? I don't know. No idea. We'll have to wait and see. Can you please tell us prop firm work? So we have to pay back or what? No. Maybe prop firm is not for you then. Is funding frontier good? Sure. The dream market is available in Iran? No. Should I trade all A plus? Sure. You're doing your own Robins? Let's see. Yes. Yes. 2020 is just 10 pip. Yep. Potential sells below 2020, brother. Below. So you need to wait for some sort of confirmation. And the confirmation is going to be when this candle closes below 2020. That's where our confirmations are going to be. Raja, you're looking very good. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's because I get a haircut once a week. I get a haircut once a week and I use a 0.5 mm trimmer on my face. I don't shave. I don't do any of that. You know, I think shaving is a waste of time. If I have a brother in the US and I'm in India and I open a new account on CTrader using my account, can he trade on it? It's going to tell him he can't. Why does doji candle mean? It means it was a waste of time. 4 minutes left. Should I open ECN with 1 to 500? Yes. What section of the course should I prefer watching because I've cleared basics? Start with the SRC. SRC. 13 gentlemen replied, don't go with them. I reminded them, still no reply. Contacted live chat and they kept saying email support. Oh, well, there we go. We have a live review now about Funded Frontier. It's too sad. Too bad. What's your thoughts about Wakar Zaka? No idea. Respected Baijan, can you show candle colors? I already did. Do you accept USDT, BTC? Both. What's the cost of your haircut in Dubai? Cost of my haircut is 60 dirhams. I spend 60 dirhams on my haircut. 60 once a week. Are you Muslim? Alhamdulillah. Practicing Muslim? No. How does it feel to be able to trade London NY in the afternoon? I'm jealous. It feels amazing. But I'd rather do some other things too. Okay. Pound yen. Wow, look at that. Rejection. Retracement. We have yeah, I think gold was less volume too. Usually spread is like less than a pip. So yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see here. We have the candle closing in a minute and a half. What's the time? 3:30 over here. 6:30 a.m. Eastern. This would have been like a 2-3 pip over here anyway. Yeah, I'll have to wait over here now. Is Dominion Prop Tech funding company? What does it say? It says Prop Tech. Does it say funding? Guys, I'm not into, I don't do like, no, see, this is what shows to me that a lot of people don't have that business perspective. You know, why would you want to go in a business in an industry which is already wildly saturated? Why would I go open up a prop firm which is wildly saturated? Why not just go open up a prop tech to service prop firms, B2B? You make the most money in the world if you offer services B2B, not B2C. B2B are less problems, less complaints, less everything. B2C is where you get into the, like, you know, the degenerate stuff of society. Sometimes I come live on Slack. Very busy building things. Very, very busy building things. I'm out at gold at 1 to 1.5 ratio. Amazing. I'm new to this. Where do I start to learn this properly? Would you please suggest? Yeah, my channel. Can we take trading as a career for life learning? Yeah, sure you can. A lot of people have trading as a career. SaaS companies are where it's at. Yep. Does resistance matter in a strong bullish move? No. Depends, you know. Yeah, it all depends. What do you know about funded engineers? They are associates. Well, I know them. Good guys, very good guys. Can we meet in UAE? Sure. What will be your target if you sell at 2020? I'm not going to sell at 2020 unless we come to 2020. So until we don't come to 2020, I'm going to stop thinking about 2020. All I'm thinking about is now I need to focus on a potential buy on the 30-minute time frame. The 1 hour candle is also forming and whatever. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at the market sentiment. Oh, we're 50-50. Market sentiment is a 50-50. Oh, wow, you can do this. Okay, how do I move my candles more to the left? They're very close to the right-hand side. So come down and grab this thing right over here and move it. And now your candles are on the other side. What does the Chinese indicator say? I have no idea. I haven't looked at that. How do I move? What do you think about the 2020 and 2024? No idea. Sometimes it comes in my mind. Can intraday trading be stopped? Kindly answer in detail. No. Can intraday trading be stopped? No. Intraday trading can only be stopped if we stop dealing in cash. Yeah. That's an irrelevant topic to even talk about. Trust me. You've changed the Forex industry, have I? Dominion Markets is amazing. So is C Trader. Love seeing your success. I've been following and watching your success. Live streams. We'll meet one day. Inshallah, we will. Your YouTube videos have helped me a lot, and I made notes and back tested them. Shukri. Amazing. Stick to one setup or trade all setups. I would say stick to one setup. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Wow, look at that. Pound yen, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I don't like pound yen for sells. I don't like it for some reason. I don't like it. I'd rather wait for gold to do something, you know. We also have NY open in about an hour and a half, so we'll have to wait. We will have to wait here a little bit. What do you think about indicators? I think they work. Tell us briefly how you learned trading. I learned trading because I was in my sales office and some guy came to my office, my good buddy, and he was in a trade. He already made $500, and I was like, okay, good. And then I just we were making good money, and I saw trading as a vehicle to kind of like scale my income, and that's how I came into trading. Sterling not available at this point. I noticed that today's bullish move on 30-minute. Before you took the buys, candles had same wick size as candle body. Oh, yeah. Do you provide liquidity? Sure. I've learned a lot from your streams. Thank you. I got an email to create a new account. Maybe you covered this already, but can't see new account when I load CTrader. How to see second account? You have to create an account on the Dominion dashboard, not from here. Not from here. Created from the Dominion dashboard. Do you think it's a good idea? But also move your funds from the older account too, because those old accounts are going to be decommissioned. Why opening hours have huge spreads? Because there's low volume and low liquidity. What time will take a withdrawal? It's maybe 4 to 5 hours. What would be your target? 2024 40? Yeah, probably around, I'd say maybe go back up to 2026 by London close. I live in Marina, meet in USD. Sure, we'll have to make a plan for that because daytimes we're very busy in the office. Maybe some shisha, something like that, Cabana. Come to Cabana. Most nights I'm in Cabana anyway. Cabana is my spot. Cabana time. Cabana is my spot. Why in Dubai there's so many podcasts and business cards scattered all over the place on the street so you can take advantage of those kinky business cards, basically. They're everywhere, man. They're everywhere on the roads of Dubai. You look down, you're like, whoa, what the fuck? Yeah. What do you think about trading without stop loss? Don't do that. Why everyone moving to CTrader from MetaTrader? Because MetaTrader is ass now. Is it possible to give someone market fluidity by commission from Dominion Markets? Sure. Sure you can. I don't know why you trade this low volume time. Hey man, I'm waiting. We are waiters. We are waiters for orders to come in. Get it? We're waiting. Look at that. Yeah, I made $7,000 last week. Last week I made $7,000. I used to make $600 in 2 weeks. I made 7,000 last week. Wow. So amazing. Right? So amazing. 7,000. Let's withdraw $71.28 to make it an even 7,000. Right? Let's do that. Transfer funds from wow, I got a lot of money over here. Okay. Do you exactly use what you teach in SRC? Yes. Combination of that. All right. $71, right? $71.76. Okay, what if it creates a new resistance? Then no idea. No idea. Guys, the thing is, you can't. Oh, look, now I withdrew 17,000. Let's take a look at this transaction. Yeah, nice. Withdrawal process, $71. So basically, never ever think about what if. Never think about what if. I never think about what if. Oh, what if we do this? What if we do that? Because while you're waiting for your price action to happen, at the same time, you're constantly thinking about what if, what if, what if. They're like infinite amount of what ifs. Infinite amount of what ifs. You can easily get lost in all the sea of what ifs. You're waiting for resistance, sure. Done with your course, market theory, now practicing through a demo account, amazing. Start with a live account with the $50 or $100 and start to see how that plays out. Why don't you answer so many people asking why you didn't buy and what you wait for? I didn't buy because there was no confidence, like I didn't want to buy. What's the issue? I didn't want to buy. Answer those questions that don't matter. Yeah, because maybe your question don't matter. Street workout, like why the fuck are you even here? Go to someone else's stream. Go to some other stream and go ask them. You have the numbers and audience. Trust the real reason. Trust is you are transparent. Thank you. So yeah, like if there's no trade, what do you want me to talk about? Trades when there's no trade? Like I didn't want to buy. Like, I wanted this candle to have more retracement so I can buy, but it didn't happen, so I didn't buy. This is why I'm profitable. This is why I've made millions. This is why I made 7,000 last week, because just waiting around. Just waiting. Look at this. Look at my trade statistics. Look at the average trade duration, 8 minutes. So if I do a live stream for about 2 hours and I'm taking one trade, which is like 8 minutes, what does that show you? That shows you that Raja Banks is very patient. Patient. I'm like a lion. I'm a lion and a gazelle. I'm a gazelle in a lion's body. That's what I am. Now you've kicked MT5 to the curb. Will you remove the account check from the MT5 Simulator? No, MT5 Simulator is a completely different company. C Trader not download in PC? Well, that's not my problem. That looks like a you problem. That's a you versus you issue, buddy. Not you versus us. Like a lot of problems you have in life are mostly you versus you. But for some reason we say no, this is me versus them or me against them. No, most of the problems you have in life will always be you versus you. Yeah, man, spent a lot of money yesterday buying shirts and crocodile shoes and some other shoes, and yeah, a wild day yesterday. And then had a steak yesterday, and it wasn't worth it. It was a 3,300 dirham steak. Not worth it. I don't even know why I bought that steak. It wasn't worth it. The 700 dirham, 600 dirham stakes, they are well worth it. That wasn't worth like $1,000. See, Twitter works in Portugal. Yes. Why did you go for the autobiography Vogue and not the Range Rover Sport? Because autobiography Vogue is a much more baller car. Oh wow, look at that. Gold is still moving up. Like, to be honest, this would have been a pretty good buy, but it's okay. Even if I've missed this buy, I would rather. Yeah, look at that 1 hour candle. Yeah. Yeah, basically missed it. Like I was hoping to get in down over here, have like a 4 or 5 pip stop and have price move up, but it's okay. No crying over spilled milk, right, buddy? Okay, buddy? No crying over spilled milk. Where are the amazing steaks at? Amazing steaks are at Prime 68. There is Dinner by Heston. There is World Cut Steak. And Xenon steak was like, I don't know, 3K. Yeah, I don't know. Has it rained? Yes. What's your opinion on Inner Circle Trader? No idea. In your opinion, what's the strategy you like the most, or do you just read price action? I just read price action. That's all what I read. Price action. There's nothing else that I focus on. There's nothing else that I read. It's just price action. Okay, buddy boys. All right. Yeah, just waiting over here. Something is telling me I should take a sell, but it's a Monday. It's a Monday. Do I want to take a risk here? And the risk would be taking a sell, anticipating price to continue pushing down in the 17, 18, 20 pip range. Take a look on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour candles are at the support. Yeah. 1-hour candle is also pushing up in this consolidation area. 1-hour candle pushing up, looking at the 30-minute candle. Yeah, like, I mean, this could be a good idea, right? Could it be? Could it be a good idea? You guys think so? You guys think that could be a pretty good idea? Take a little sell like this, have like a 8-9 pip stop, anticipate price to continue pushing down. Could it? Maybe, possibly. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Why not, right? Why not? Yeah, I just entered cells again. Oh, nice. So you're in those cells with me. Okay. Poll time. Last time we did a poll, we ended up winning. Last time when we did a poll. So yeah. I'm trying to see if there's a way to bring this buy sell over to this side. I think that's going to be good. So the stop loss is around 8.4 pips. Got 2.5 lots open. So we'll see. Looking to make at least like, $200-$300 with the sell. You're right. There's no confirmation. The only information I'm going off of here is this. So the only information I'm going off of here is this resistance right here and this rejection right here. That's the only information I'm going off of. I know it's risky. This is what I've done in the past as well, like long time ago, like when I first started to trade. Why people call Raja scammer if he is trading live? It's okay. Because we thought SRC, we should wait for candle. Yes, I did say we should wait. I did, like, that's all fine. But I consider myself as the LeBron James for Forex. Like if LeBron James was to write a book, he's going to write a book, simple concepts. You do this, you're going to be great. But then there's sometimes you're going to see him watching the game and he's going to be doing some next level moves. And you're going to say, oh, hey, LeBron, I thought blah, 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 blah. This is not in the book. How come you're doing this now? And LeBron's going to say, well, because I'm LeBron, nigga. I'm the champion. I am the best. That's all it's going to say. Price is going to kiss your stop loss. I don't know. We'll see. Haters going to hate their own. Yeah, that's true. What's the best trading strategy that institutions use to smoke? What? Biggest trading strategy that institutions use to smoke us retail traders grab liquidity? No, there's no such thing as institutions smoking you. There's no such thing like that. There's no such thing like that. Raja, what in sales you cannot debate? That's correct. Raja, okay. All right, let's take a look over here. What's the biggest trading strategy that institutions? Man, you're asking the wrong question. Did you just drop the N-word? Man, shut the fuck up. Like, we're in 2024. Like, just move on. I thought you were Michael Jordan of Forex. I'm sorry. Betting on this candle going, make the bottom wick. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on too, for this candle to make a bottom wick and then continue pushing down. I'm going to go get my coffee. And by the time I get my coffee, I think I should be making some money. And then we can call it a good day. Stop loss right here. Entry is right here. Up about $60 now. 105. See now here you can see your pips, right? You can see the monetary gain and you can see the pips. And I can get rid of the monetary gain. I can bring it back. Bring it gross. Gross is like minus commission. Yeah. Used to smoke weed? No. He got the N pass. Yeah, I do have the pass. Trust me, I have the pass. Will newbie should follow? Because if you teach something, shouldn't apply it. Man, I've been trading for 8 years and I can do these things. How to see pips in C-Trader? Right click and then click on pips. And then you will see them. It's not hate. He's really scam and lie a few years ago. The thing with human blah blah. Badr El Sari, brother, listen, brother. You're gonna waste your time over here. You're gonna cry, complain, write stuff. Go to your mom. Go to your mom and tell her these things. Your mother is the only person in the world who can love a face like that. Your mother is the only person in the world who's gonna listen to you complaining like this. That's it. No one else. No one else is going to care. And trust me, this goes for everyone. Whenever you guys feel like complaining on social media or crying on social media, go to your mother and father. Your father is not going to have enough time because he's a man. He's got shit to do. Your mom is going to be there, who's always going to be there to listen to your problems, your dumbass problems. That's what's going to happen. So it's better that you go cry to your mom. It's what they say. Son, go cry to your mama, son. We ain't your moms. Listen to your problems. Think someone scammed you? Go complain to your mom. My guy getting person. Yeah, look at that. So now look at this, right? This candle was in profits for about 5-6 pips, right? We were in a 5-6 pip profit. My risk on this is $220. So what I'm gonna do is, if it comes back to my entry point, man. Shit, man. I didn't have one. Where is it? This new PC, I just wish Look, this is still packed. Still packed. My magic keys. I still have to connect it. So easy with this. You press one button, it closes half automatically with magic keys. So yeah, like I wanna close 50%. I wanna close 50% once it comes back to my entry point. And I wanna get my coffee at the same time too. I think I'm gonna go get coffee once I close 50% at my entry point. Yeah. I think it's gonna be 1.25. Yeah, it's gonna be 1.25 once it comes to my entry point. Yeah. So I'm constantly looking at managing risk. Why haven't they messaged me back? Okay, never mind. We're running in profits now. We're running back down. So this is the 30-minute time frame, right? 30-minute time frame. Come on. We're in 4 pip profits. We need to come down more. How's the new laptop? It's amazing. I had a MacBook for about 4 months, 5 months. I used it, but no. Okay. It's coming back now to my entry point, and I'm going to be managing my risk, right? Initial risk I have is $220. You can see here on the screen. That's my initial risk, $220. So I'm going to be closing half once it comes back to my entry point. So if I do lose, I lose less than $220. That's how you manage risk. Managing risk is very, very important, even when you're in profits or whatever. But managing risk is the most important thing to do. How to add a real account in C-Trader? Just go through the video I have on my YouTube on how to open up account. What was the confirmation for a sell? There was no confirmation. I just used experience to take a sell. I used experience to take a sell. Oh wow, pound yen is still continuing to move over here now. Interesting. This candle will close in about 8 minutes. No music at the background. There is music. You can't hear it? We got some music playing in the background. Maybe your speakers are the volume of the speakers is probably too low. Okay, gold will pump today. Be careful. I don't know. Guys, listen. I need some likes. I need some likes on the stream. Because this is a free stream value. I'm taking trades here, showing you guys, teaching you risk management, teaching you trade management, all those things. At least pay me with something, right? Like, come on, pay me with some likes. That's the payment I want. At least get to like 1,500 likes. We got 2,700 people in here. At least get to 1,500 likes. You just gotta click that thumbs up. It helps us a lot, helps the channel a lot. Do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And can't like from Zoom. Well, let me kick you out so you can go to the live stream and, and you can like it there. Can we trust C-Trader as MetaTrader? Of course. I mean, they're all trading platforms. All right. We're coming over to break even now. Getting ready to close. Getting ready to close 50%. What do you recommend to choose for deposit, crypto or Visa? Both are good. Crypto is faster. Visa sometimes takes time, but crypto is very, very fast. All right. We're coming, not coming, not coming. Coming, not coming. Food coming, not coming. Stop loss coming, not coming. Waiting for stop loss or waiting for TP. Waiting for stop loss or waiting for TP. We got the 1 hour candle closing in about 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we're going to have the 1 hour candles closing, and then we're going to see what the 1 hour candle is going to look like. If the 1 hour candle looks like, let's take a look over here. The 1 hour candle, ooh, wow, look at that. See, this is the area. Actually, let me show you here. This is the area which we are rejecting right over here. This is the area we are rejecting. I took this trade on the basis of the 30-minute time frame, that if we are rejecting this area, we should reject. Stop is above this current wick. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute candle is still open. We are running at about where the candle is at my entry now. I'm going to be closing 50% right here. Look at my risk, right? Initial risk is what? 227. I'm going to close this 50%. 50% close. Now my risk is 113. So now I've reduced my risk. Make sense? I've reduced my risk. So if I go to my history, look, I closed 1.25, $22 loss. My initial risk was 227. Now my risk is like 113, right? I've reduced my reducing risk is a game changer because okay, I reduced my risk. What's sometimes going to happen is this, right? Sometimes going to happen is that guys are going to close their trades. They're not going to close 50%. They will close 100%, and then price will go in their favor. And then they'll say, oh man, bamba clot, like madre, like a new price is going to go in my favor. And I got scared and this and this and this and this and this and that, right? So without getting scared, you close 50%. You close 50%, close 90%, close whatever percentage you need to close, but close. Because if price hits your stop loss, you're going to lose less than what you planned on losing. Good? That's number one. Number two is if price goes in your favor, you can add the percentage back to the trade which you closed. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Right? Even if you close 50% and price goes in your favor, then you can add the percentage you closed back to your trade and let the trade run. Now give me likes. Come on, we're at 986 likes. I need 1,500. I need like 520, 530 more likes. I'm giving so much valuable information. I'm going to go get coffee and come back. If we're not at 1,500, the stream is done. The 1 hour candle is going to close here anyway. So we'll see. 1,500. Watching you. Watching you. All right, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Who here came to learn and learned absolutely nothing? You. Okay, we're at one. All right, let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute candles are, yeah, no. So now we're going to further reduce our risk. Okay. I want to close another 50% as this candle is breaking the high of the previous candle high. Looking at the 30-minute candle close with the doji, whatever. So, you know, it's okay. Do you know Sharjeel Bilal? No. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting over here now. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. I get so excited about these little things. So remember we did a withdrawal? Just the message on my phone. Will it focus? Yes. Ooh, these wallpapers. These wallpapers are actually sick. Okay, so let's see here. Pound yen is 1 hour candle. We're coming down. See, the whole problem with sells on pound yen is that on the 1 hour time frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles already coming down. So if we have 4 candles already coming down, that's like saying that now the 5th candle should also continue pushing down. The 5th candle. But that's not always the case, you know. Gold, however, so what I want to do now in gold, obviously I'm going to sell now, and I manage my risk, I close percentage and this and this and that. If we do come down and this candle breaks its own low, like let's say this candle breaks its own low right here, I'm going to be adding the risk back on gold, anticipating it to continue pushing down. But so far, what gold is doing is, you know, look at this 15-minute. Look at this 15-minute. Right? This 15-minute is very, very important. I mean, if this candle goes above the high of the previous candle, what's this? Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
This is Ajit calling from Do Telecom, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have I reached Dominion Markets Management LLC?
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah, I'm calling regards to this company's due urgent account update. Am I speaking with authorized person?
Yes, boss. What's up? What's up? Get to the point. I'm busy.
Can I have your name, please?
All right. Call me later. I'm very busy at this point. Man, just get to the point. Okay, go on the 5-minute to get a better entry. No, I'm going to wait. Like once this candle breaks its own low, I'm going to add the risk back and anticipate to continue pushing down. See this? The 30-minute, it has to break its own low, and then I'm going to be adding the position down. Man, the other day, the school sent us an email. School sent us an email that they heard my little son say the bad word. What the F? That's what he said. And they're like, in the email, it said that we were all shocked and we all looked at each other and we all were like, what did he say? You know, and this happened the first time too. And they called me and I said, oh, you know, he must have been saying truck because trucks rhymes with fuck, you know, so he must be saying truck. So the other day he said, what the fuck? They were like, he dropped something and then he said, what the fuck? So I'm like, well, you know, it's not like he's randomly saying bad words. Like he's like, you know, correlating the bad word with what's happening. You know, if something bad is happening, it's like, oh, what the fuck? It's not like random. It's just like he's making sense when to use it. So at least appreciate him on that. You know, they're like, no, no, it's bad, blah. I'm like, yeah, whatever. That's all good. Like his teacher is like 22, 21, 22-year-olds, some chick, you know. It was actually very, very hilarious. The email sounded like as if he's going to be expelled from school. Like, bro, it's not that serious. Yeah, what can you do? Okay. All right. No, you know, at home when something goes wrong, I'm all by myself. So I just, yeah. Anyway, your team sent me an email saying I can only use crypto to withdraw, even though I use my card to deposit and it don't even address all the issues. Yeah. Like, you know, if there's an issue, they will have an issue. My team will never say you cannot withdraw your money. My team will say if there's one option is not available, then we want to give you your money back. But unfortunately, this is the only way you can have your money back. But they really want to give your money back. So we want to make sure you get your money back. So please, you have to cooperate in some way, you know? Like it's very difficult running a finance company. You're dealing with like banks and PSPs and clients and liquidity providers and licensees and all this. So please, I want you to cooperate with us a little bit. You know, you're gonna go cooperate with some other big broker, but you're not gonna cooperate where the owner sits in front of you to answer your questions. Very nice. See how the world works. If there, if there's a tissue, there's no issue. That's correct. All right, let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen is continuing its bearish momentum here. Slowly and surely, we are trickling down. We care about you as a client. Want to get your funds back to you. Okay, nice. Quick analysis on U.S. oil, please. Quick analysis on U.S. oil. Are we still trading U.S. oil? U.S. oil in the building. Are we still trading U.S. oil? All right, let's take. Oh, wow, look at that. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close another half. You know, so I'm going to close 0.75 right here. Okay? Brother. Or do I want to wait? Do I want to close or do I want to wait? Do I want to close or do I want to wait? Oh, yeah, I'm going to close. Yeah. Now I closed more. Now my risk is even lower now. My risk is now $68. You know, I started my risk to be at 227. Now it's down to 68. But so far, I have lost 22, 40, 43, $43. $100 basically. So I've lowered my risk. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oof, precision. One closed at break even. This closed right over here. You know, this is amazing. See how I keep my losses small, 5 pips, 1 pip, 3 pip, and keep my winners big, 33, 17, 13. Go up over here, 28, 29, 14, 17 pips. See that? In 1 week, made $7,000. So amazing. Start from 10,000. Look at that. 9,998. Sorry, I lied. Boom. Oh, we're at 16,900 now. Oh, because I also did a withdrawal here as well. Withdrawal. Okay. All right. Yeah, it looks like, you know, sometimes when you're trading and you look at price action and you know that there's a very big probability price is going to hit your stop loss, right? You guys get that feeling? You guys get the feeling, right? I'm getting that same feeling now. So I'm going to close the whole thing. That's it. Closed. I closed the whole thing. Look at that. Look how much I lost. 40, 50, 60, 70, almost like $100 I lost over here. Not bad, right? Send me that 16K? No. Yes. Yes, Lawrence. And also send an email with the subject urgent. Urgent. Why skipping leg days, man? Brother, I don't skip leg days. My legs are my legs are probably bigger than your entire waist. You don't even understand what you're talking about. You don't understand. Half of you kids have no idea what you guys talk about. I just fried my mentor. You're now it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see here. No issues today. Beautiful. Like the sound of that. No issues here today. Yeah, man. Like, I mean, if we can reject this area, I think I can give my cells a second chance. We need a rejection at 2022. For cells, we need rejection at 2022. This is basically what we need. For cells, we need a rejection at 2022. Pound yen, I'm least interested on what pound yen is doing. Okay, agreed. Waiting for rejection. That's true. Pound yen here. Yeah, I guess we are slowly trying to come down towards 187,800. Slowly but surely, we are. Now I gotta do some multitasking. Okay, let's take a look at gold over here now. Back again. Yeah, this is what we need, right? This is what we need. This is what we need over here. Okay. For beginner, play stop loss and use what? How much impact do you think LXG stunt at the Super Bowl had for his business? Zero impact. Because okay, so you got to look at it this way, right? There's this guy, he hangs out with, like, sometimes he hangs out with Dana White, but he stands in a corner. He hangs out with Steve, like, like all that crew, and there he is doing a Super Bowl streak. I mean, those things have been done. So many guys have done that. Like, Vitaly has done that. A bunch of his friends have done that. His girlfriend has done that. Now he's doing that. So imagine, here you are, and you get to hang out with guys like Dana White and Steve, and you're doing a streak on the football pitch. Like, come on, come on, come on, man. Like, hold yourself up to some sort of a stand. Like, I know you're young, stupid, like, 24 years old, 25 years old, just young and dumb. Like, there's no other thing. Like, come on. Makes no sense at all. You're spending $10,000 just to get in and then do a streak to be kicked out. That $10,000 can go for someone else. You can help someone with those $10,000. It's just like, when you're young, you have no mentorship, you have no direction, you don't have a grown up in your life to guide you. That's basically what happens. Like, I mean, you just, it's so sad. It's just sad that someone had to do that. It's just wild. Content is content, yeah, but being stupid, being a dumbass is being a dumbass. Like, come on, Today is bank holiday in Japan. Just checked our Forex Factory. Yeah, it's bank holiday anyway. During NY Open. NY Open is bank holiday regardless. 901631. 9016. Okay, here we go. We are coming down now. The candle's about to the new 15-minute candle has started now. Oh, 15-minute looks like dog shit. Look at that. Look at that 15-minute, man. Looks ugly. Oh my god. Looks so bad. Candles printing side by side. Just tough. I'm gonna stick with the 30-minute time frame here, to be honest. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a $28,000. $28,000. Okay. Are you still in Pakistan? No. Expecting NY to be slow. I don't know. I'm really expecting price to reject 2021, 2022, so we can continue down towards 2020. So if we can get that, I think that's going to be great. Do you agree that going through tough times, such as selling your wife's gold for rent, has made you achieve what you've achieved today? Yeah, sure it has. Sure it has. I mean, don't get me wrong. Majority of my life, I had money. Some parts of my life, I didn't have money, and I had to get creative. Like, that's all what it is. But I was still very, very creative. When you don't have money, you have to be creative. Without creativity, you're not going to be able to do anything. Because sometimes you can get caught in a position where you can't pay your bill, or sometimes you get caught in a position where your son or your daughter or your kids or your wife, they want something, you can't provide that. It's not a what's the word? The specific word. It's not an affordability issue. It's an income issue. Like a lot of guys say, "Oh, I can't afford that. It's not going to happen." No, you can afford that. But your income is just too less. So you got to increase your income. And once you start to think about, okay, how can I increase my income? What can I do more? What can I do less? What can I incorporate more? How can I be more creative? Then you start to think in terms of, okay, with this, I can increase my income. A lot of guys, what they say is, oh, I only make this much a month. So doing XX things will take me X number of months, or it's going to take me X number of years. That's the mindset of where, oh, I only get X amount a month, and with that mindset, these things, they may not happen. It's going to be very, very tough. Very tough. Can you give us an example on how to read candles? Yeah, just waiting for this candle to close, and then we'll see where we go from there. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, if I was Alex, and if I was hanging out with Dana White and Steve and all these guys, man, I'd be playing blackjack with these guys. I'd be withdrawing 100K and I'd be dropping 100K on the table and playing blackjack with them. So they would know, I'm about that game. I'm not going to be the one, short guy standing in the corner and saying, oh, hey, hey, I'm here, guys. Hey, I'm just a trader, no. I'd be making the most of the opportunity. You having coffee with milk or just coffee? Coffee, just coffee. You open to try CBOT? No. Oh, am I open? No. Which books would you recommend that help you develop your mindset? None. No book in the world is going to help you develop your mindset. There's no book like that that's going to help you develop your mindset. Your mindset comes from within you, because most of the time it's just you versus you most of the time in trading. Can you show us your candlestick colors? There's a lot of them, but I think the ones you need to know are okay. Do a screenshot. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Now again. 1, 2, 3. If you missed it, you can just replay it. Right? You can just replay it. Okay, wallpapers. You guys need wallpapers, eh? All right. Where do we get wallpapers from? Where do we get wallpapers from? Wallpapers. Oh, here we are. I don't know if you guys are going to be open them or not, but my support team is probably listening to me. We need these wallpapers where people can download them. I told them this on Friday or Thursday, and I'm still waiting. But they don't listen. How much did you lose in the beginning? I lost over $100,000 in the beginning. Hello? Walaikum salam. आप कौन? कब किया था मैंने इंटरेस्ट शो? ओके. इस प्रॉपर्टी में आरओआई जो है वो कितना है? ओके. कहाँ पे? क्यों वहां पे हाई क्यों है आरओआई? कहाँ पे? दुबई हिल्स में? दुबई हिल्स में ऐसी क्या चीज है कि वहां पे आते हैं टूरिस्ट? नहीं नहीं. हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा. ओके. तो जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं, टूरिस्ट आते हैं, वो दुबई हिल्स में रहते हैं सारे आके? नहीं, आपने मुझे बताया ना कि दुबई हिल्स अच्छा है क्योंकि वहां पे टूरिस्ट आते हैं सारे. दुबई हिल्स में? दुबई हिल्स है कितना दूर? ये डाउनटाउन हो गया, बुर्ज खलीफा वगैरह. अच्छा, तो बुर्ज के पास आरओआई हाई नहीं होगा? अच्छा. Okay, okay. Bro, some property real estate guy. Most of these guys, they don't even know what they're talking about. They're like, oh, there's really high ROI in Dubai Hills. I'm like, oh, nice. Why is the ROI high in Dubai Hills? Oh, because a lot of tourists go to Dubai Hills. So I'm like, oh, nice, really? A lot of tourists go to Dubai Hills. Okay, why is that? And then he goes, well, And then he starts rambling on something, and I'm like, okay, so shouldn't the ROI be higher near downtown, like where Burj Khalifa is? I was trying to hint towards Business Bay. He's like, no, 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 it's high there too, but most of the tourists that come to do Airbnb in Dubai Hills. I'm like, okay, how far is Dubai Hills from Burj Khalifa? He's like, oh, it's like 10 to 15 minutes. In my mind, I'm thinking, no, it's not. It's at least 20 minutes. You know, fuck, man, real estate people. So anyway, in 5 minutes, this candle is about to close, and we'll see how this candle closes. I still do believe we should be rejecting 2022 and continuing to push down. We should. But we don't have that sort of a confirmation. Okay, all right. Farm Gardens to the Valley, brand new launch. 4-bed villa, 7.2 million. 5-bed villa, 9.2 million. My God. See, there's too much money in Dubai, I'm telling you. Raja is a savage, he doesn't care about anyone, that's true. What's this? In start, when I was a beginner, I was following you and everything was going awesome. Then I tried to be smart and I switched from SRC, and that was the worst decision of my life. Well, certainly now you understand that you made the best decision in the beginning. Market is shit slow today. Yeah, absolutely true. Market is really slow today. Really slow today. Yes, you can still trade GJ even with the JPY Bank closed, because JPY Bank is closed anyway when we have New York. That is true. How to start my Forex journey? What do I need to know, learn, study, understand, whatever? Will you launch a C-Trader simulator? C-Trader already has its own simulator. What strategy your friend LG uses? The strategy he uses is to put his name on his chest and go run in the Super Bowl. Raja is the rudest trader in YouTube. Well, get the fuck out of here then, FX Snipe. Are you hiring chat support or team? Not yet. Not yet. Why Dominion Markets have such a low on score? It says something about reviews being fake at Dominion Markets. Yeah. So basically, Trustpilot, they are telling us to pay them $5,000 so that they can remove that tag. Also, they are telling us that if we want more reviews, we need to sign up with a subscription for like $250 a month. So then they can generate positive reviews, and we're like, nah, no thanks. We're not gonna. It's basically like a form of blackmailing. All right, there we go. The candles are closing, and I'm gonna give my trade a second chance. Here, look at this 30-minute candle here. We're about to close in about 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds, we are about to close. 15-minute candles are forming bearish, and I'm going to give my trade a second chance. Depends on how this candle closes. It has to close with a stronger body. Stronger body. Hello, G. Oh. Tomorrow CPI, yeah, that's true. Maybe after tomorrow we may see something. But yeah, like, you know what? Like, I'd be okay, man. Like, look at that. It has to come up. At least make a top wick and then go down. don't go down like this. It's like a 13 pip range, 10 pip minus the spread. Like at least make a top wick and go down. Even at NY Open, if we kind of like, break below 2020 to go down, I think that's going to be good as well. But at least like, it should make a top wick and then continue pushing down. So anyway, I'm going to head off. Been on for about, how long have we been on for? Almost like, 1.5 hours. So anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And if it does wick up, I'm going to take an entry for price to continue pushing down and make some money. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Give a like on the stream, subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. That's my message for today. So bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Boom. See ya.